Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I hope you are having a wonderful week this week. One thing I did want to mention is nobody has watched my past four videos. So, for extra credit, thank you for tuning in. But for extra credit, if you would like to email me something that you have done over break, maybe it is a movie that you watched or a recipe that you made, anything that you have done over the break, a video game that you beat. Go ahead and email that to me, and I will give you some extra credit on your quiz tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get to the math. Today you have mixed factoring practice number 9. You have 10 questions on factoring cubics, and then you have 5 mixed methods. So let's go ahead and figure out factoring cubics. All right, so it is asking us to factor completely x cubed minus 15x squared plus 50x. And this should look very similar to ones that we have already seen so far. Let's go ahead and take a look at this problem and try to come up with a best strategy here. All right, well, we have x cubed minus 15x squared plus 50x. And what I notice about all of these is that every single one of them have an x that I could factor out. So let's go ahead and factor out an x. All right, if I divide x cubed and factor out an x, I'm still left with x squared. Negative 15x squared, if I take out an x, I'm left with negative 15x. And then finally 50x, if I divide that by x, this will be plus 50. And guys, this looks very, very similar to what we have done in the past. Just go ahead and ignore that x just like we ignored the negative ones yesterday. And let's go ahead and factor this out. I have x squared minus 15x plus 50. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to a positive 50 that add up to negative 15. Well, that's easy. That is negative 5 and negative 10. And if I were to think about this, x times x is x squared. I have negative 5x, negative 10x is negative 15x. And then finally, a negative 5 times a negative 10 is a positive 50. So that is my answer. Let's go ahead and do one more together. Ooh, all right. Here is what I see in this problem. We have 2x cubed minus 16x squared plus 24x. All right, so looking at this, first off, these are in descending order. We have x cubed, x squared, x. And this time I actually see two things that I can factor out here. I see that I can divide all of those by 2, and I can also divide every single one of those by an x. All right, if I divide 2x cubed divided by 2x, I'm left with x squared. Negative 16x squared, if I divide that by 2x, I'm left with negative 8x. And then finally, 24 divided by 2 is 12. X divided by x, those cancel out, so there's no x on that last term. And now we have a problem just like we know how to do. I have an x squared minus 8x plus 12. X squared breaks up into x and x. I need two numbers that multiply to a positive 12 that add up to a negative 8. That would be negative 2 and negative 6. All right, looks good. So first off, I factored out my 2x, and then from here, I just did a basic trinomial factoring. So my final answer is 2x times x minus 2, x minus 6, and that is in beautiful factored form. All right, that is your homework for today. You will have a quiz tomorrow. And yet again, for extra credit, if you would like to email me anything that you've done over break, please feel free to do that by the end of next Monday, and I can get you some extra credit on that quiz. Have a great day.